Okay, hi children. Welcome to the part 2 of the single cause and multiple effects. Sa mga hindi pa nakakapanood ng part 1 muna po. And sa mga nagtatanong bakit may part 1, part 2, part 3, yun po ay para hindi masyadong mahaba yung bawat video at para mas maintindihan nyo at mas ma-explain ko ng mabuti yung bawat part ng activity sheets natin. Okay, so depende sa dami ng activities yung haba din ng video natin kasi nakapattern yung video ko doon sa laman ng activity sheets natin sa English. Okay, and ulitin ko, disregard nyo na lang yung video ni ma'am dito kasi nasa baba yung camera ko kaya pag ganun yung tingin ko. Okay, so let's start with the part 2 of the single cause and multiple effects. So dito na tayo sa paragraph form. If you remember kanina, gumamit tayo ng graphic organizer to explain the sequence of the paragraph, which is the topic sentence, the body, and the concluding sentence. So, from phrases, okay, this is the paragraph version now, which means it is composed of multiple sentences. Okay, so let's read the paragraph. People's carelessness toward the environment has many negative effects. Flooding happens in many parts of the world. Garbage, like plastic, causes clogged drainage. Another effect is the threat of soil erosion due to a lack of trees. The roots hold the soil in place while stabilizing the tree and improving the drainage of the soil, so that water drains into the ground rather than flowing atop the surface. The third effect is pollution. This creates damage to the air, land, and water. Lastly, with global warming, too much heat is trapped in the Earth's atmosphere. If people don't work together to protect the environment, these threats will create bigger problems. Okay, so as you can see, if you remember my colors na to, or we already used the annotation mark na ginagamit natin when it comes to paragraph. So we assign certain colors such as blue, the uh, underlining, encircling the words. Meron din tayong yellow, orange, pink, purple, and green color na ginamit. So, the blue here represents our subject or the topic. The underlined part is the topic sentence. Bakit mahaba? Kasi it includes the subject, the topic, and the controlling idea. Again, when we say controlling idea, what we wanted to say about the subject. So, dalawang part ang meron kay topic sentence, kaya siya mahaba. And when we say topic sentence, from the word itself, siya ay sentence or pangungusap. Okay. So, we also have the first supporting detail. Okay, as you can see, ito ay yellow. Okay, we also have the orange. As in this part, para siyang red-orange kasi nga yan yung available na color sa highlights natin. We also have pink, okay, purple. Ang purple ko dito, sa letters ko siya, sa font face ko siya nilagay kasi masyadong dark. Hindi nyo mababasa yung text kapag gumamit ako ng highlight na purple. And we also have the green one, which is the concluding sentence. So, as you can see, sa ating marks, merong mga white parts. So, this is the sub-supporting details dito sa mga sub-supporting sa mga supporting detail natin. Ayan. So, our topic or subject is the people's carelessness toward the environment. Okay, so ang sabi, it has many negative effects. So, dito pa lang kay topic sentence, makikita nyo na agad na multiple effects siya. One cause and multiple effect. Okay, bakit? Ito yung mga clues natin, no? Okay, so I'm going to use again, okay, itong mga colors natin. Gamit ako ng blue. Ayan, no? From the word many negative effects. Meron ng many, and then yung effects has letter S, which is, okay, S form in the word means plural, diba? Or more than one. So, many negative effects. So, it means single cause, multiple effects. So, ano-ano yung mga effects na yon? The first one is the flooding, okay, threat of soil erosion. Okay, again, dito, we have here Ano yung mga keyword or signal word for cause and effect? Ayan, no? The word effect, the third effect, then gumamit ng salitang third. Ibig sabihin, pangatlong effect siya or pangatlong supporting detail. Okay, the third effect is the pollution. Okay, and then another signal word or transitional word is the word lastly. Pinakahuli is the global warming. Okay, so in this case, yan o, itong word na another effect, okay, how many effects is used in the paragraph? We have 1 and 2. So, sabi natin, multiple means more than 1. So, dalawa pataas, it means we have multiple effects. Okay. So, ito yung ating topic sentence, our supporting details, and the last one is the concluding sentence. Okay. So, doon sa ating graphic organizer, we use the word possible menaces. Ngayon, naka-sentence na siya. So, ano yung nilalaman ng paragraph? If people don't work together to protect the environment, these threats will create bigger problems. So, this is a summary of the whole paragraph, diba? If we don't take care of the environment, ano mangyari? It will create bigger problems. Okay, so let's answer the first activity. So, the first activity, write a single cause, multiple effects paragraph using ideas given in the graphic organizer about computer gaming. Ito yung tinatawag natin kanina na, diba sabi ko, nabanggit ko, one good example of cause and effect graphic organizer is fishbone graphic organizer or diagram. So, fishbone siya, ibig sabihin, yung parang buto ng or tinik ng isda, which is meron siyang ulo, merong head. Okay, itong part na to, itong mga part nito, ito yung kanyang bones, 'di ba? Yung tinik. And then this part is the tail. Okay. So, parang sa part ng katawan ng isda, okay, yung pinaka main part is yung ulo. So, that is the topic sentence. As you can see, nakalagay naman dito the topic sentence. And we have the supporting details. How many? We have 1, 2, 3, 4 supporting details. Okay, so ang nakalagay nga dito ay effect 1, 2, 3, 4. This is the cause. And then yung buntot natin, which is this part, is the concluding sentence. Okay, another keyword for that is, ayan o, yung salitang in conclusion. O, diba? Another word for that na, alam nyo, concluding sentence siya. Another keyword for that. Or another clue. So, sabi, gagawin natin tong paragraph form. So, paano natin to gagawing paragraph form? Alalahanin natin yung parts of the paragraph, topic sentence, the body, and the concluding sentence. So, in this case, i-connect lang natin yung ating mga sentences. Okay, so, yan na, kinonnect na natin. So, mauuna nauuna si computer gaming. Ayan o, itong part na to. Yan, itong part na to, computer gaming is the most popular. Okay, basahin natin yung overall paragraph. Computer gaming is the most popular entertainment of the modern society, yet it can cause negative effects on the children. It stimulates anger and violence among children. For this reason, it causes the children to have poor social skills. Another effect is depression. Children who suffer from computer gaming addiction endanger their physical and mental health. In conclusion, computer gaming addiction is a serious issue that leaves negative effects on the children. Okay, so in this case, topic sentence is, syempre, the topmost part of the paragraph. Okay, kunin natin si subject. Okay, tungkol saan yung paragraph or the paragraph is about what? It's about computer gaming. What do we want to say about computer gaming? Okay, it is the most popular entertainment of the modern society, yet it can cause negative effects on the children. Another keyword for you to know na multiple effects siya, ayan na mismo yung salitang effects. May S. Okay, negative effects on the children. So, what are these effects? Ano yung mga epekto ng, ang cause ay ang computer gaming. Okay, ano yung mga effects ng computer gaming? The negative effects. The first one daw is, so we're going to use the yellow highlight. It stimulates anger and violence among children. Okay, so it causes anger and violence. The second reason is, okay, let's use orange. In this case, medyo lighter na yung orange natin, yung highlighter dito sa PowerPoint presentation na ginagamit ko to record the video. Okay, so another reason is it causes the children to have poor social skills. Okay, another effect, it causes depression. So, wala tayong pink, so mostly I'm going to use red. Okay, another effect is depression. And the last one, purple. Children who suffer computer gaming addiction endanger their physical and mental health. Okay, so how do they endanger their physical health? Diba? Because of lack of sleep. Okay, and also lack of sleep and not proper time ng pagkain nila. So it causes physical and mental health. So, 'di ba maraming nababalitaan na kina-hospitalize yung mga batang tutok na tutok sa computer na hindi na kumakain. And also, worst scenario, hindi lang sila na hospital, okay, it can cause death. Okay, and then as you can see, yung ating pinaka-green, which is the concluding sentence, computer gaming addiction is a serious issue that leaves negative effect on the children. So, kung titingnan nyo si conclusion and si topic sentence or the main idea natin, almost same yung mga words kasi nga we just retell what is the content of the topic sentence here in the conclusion. Ano-ano yung mga same? Okay, gamit ako ng light blue highlighter. So, ano yung mga same words? Ito, we use the word gaming. Computer gaming. Ano pa yung same word? Cause negative effects. Okay, itong negative effects na to, ayan o, inulit dito sa conclusion. Wait, nagluloko ang mouse ko. Negative effects. Okay, on the children. So, that is our paragraph. So, i-connect nyo lang siya. So, dapat alam nyo anong mauuna. Mauuna si head. Okay, sumunod si supporting detail. Kaya nga may upper, lower. Malamang, this is number 1, this is number 2, this is number 3, this is number 4, and the tail is number 5. Yung sagot nga pala dito sa blank na to is concluding sentence. Okay, so sana nakasabay kayo kasi yung after effect ng lahat ng annotation, dahil nga dito lang ako gumagamit ng mga marks, ay hindi ganon ka-precise yung aking paglalagay na underline. So, medyo madumi tignan yung after na. So, sana nakakasabay children yung lahat. Sabi ko nga, kapag medyo magulo na, you can pause, okay, yung mga part, and then go back, i-rewind nyo lang yung part na nahirapan kayo. Okay, let's proceed.